Here we go. We are here on the beach side. And here we go. Our car is done. There it is. Good job. Baby. Oh. Slowly. Look at that. So amazing. Oops. We are here for a practice driving with this toy I have. And we are here at the beach side. And you hear the waves. And here's the view. Look. It's past 7:30 in the evening, Norway time. Let's continue playing our toy. You see, it's funny and it's great. Look. Relaxing. I can run. Drive a little bit faster. There she is. So this is for today's vlog. Thank you for watching. Have a great evening.